already have a set of 3. We have the wok from Asia and the
tahine from Africa originally.
Yeah, that's in the book, isn't it? All the names and the
Yes.
information and the pan. And we can also check here if they're correct. Is that right?
Oh yeah. If the dots are on the same spot, then you know you have the correct solution.
Okay, but this one's not difficult.
Oh yeah, this one is easy.
And this one's really fun because you basically see that footprints are the same all over the world.
Yeah, and I think the fascinating thing about the game is that, for example, footprints look a bit different, but everyone has a footprint. Or for example, cookware looks a bit different in every country, but all these are used for cooking.
Yeah, and it all tastes different. Let's have a look what else we have. We have some musical instruments that we need to match, and some board games and script and
a good luck charm.
And some footwear and headdress and buildings. As memory, it must be really nice as well.
Yeah, that's actually what it's also made for. And you can learn so much about different cultures.
Which is nice, and I think also you could play it like this. Which one is the odd one out?
This one, because this one is a head and these are buildings.
Ah, yes, yes. And I think also you brought in something really interesting. It was that name again, I've forgotten what it's called.
I will tell you again. It is called a tahine. So
Okay,
I use it for cooking. And what did you bring? I don't know this one.
I brought a cataplana from Portugal.
Is it also
absolutely delicious? We should try it sometime.
It's used for cooking as well?
Yes, yes. Have a look at Dusyma on the internet and also social media.
So
should we play?
Yeah,
yes, let's carry on playing.